Tired of the high price of race fuels? Water methanol injection is a budget-friendly alternative for most anyone running expensive race gas. Holley's developed a high-pressure system to inject your engine with a 50-50 methanol water mix. Our system works in both naturally aspirated as well as boosted engines to help reduce detonation and increase horsepower. High-octane methanol absorbs heat directly out of the air, a term better known as latent heat of vaporization. When this finely atomized water methanol mix is introduced into your engine, it absorbs heat and provides a cooling effect, lowering the air intake temperature. This cooler, denser air intake charge reduces the chance of detonation, allowing you to run more ignition timing. It can also increase the boost handling capability in forced induction applications. Holley offers components in a convenient kit, or you can purchase them individually and build your own system. Our convenient installation kit, part number 557-101, includes a fluid reservoir, polyurethane tubing with filter, a fused wiring harness with relay, warning LED light, and low-level float. All components are compatible with water methanol mixes containing up to 50% methanol. Holley pumps and solenoids are light years ahead of the competition. Our solenoid, part number 557-106, is run by an injector driver output from the Holley HP or Holley Dominator ECUs. Solenoid flow is programmed with the ECU, ensuring that your engine gets a precise shot of water methanol mixed based on the percentage of fuel flow present at any RPM or load. This makes tuning a simple and accurate process. If your ECU does not have an extra output available, you can install one of our solenoid drivers, part number 554-115. It can be driven by a low-side pulse width modulated output. Our high-pressure pump maintains line pressure and volume, ensuring that you get the full benefit from the cooling effect that the water methanol mix can provide. Take your ride to the next level with the water methanol injection system from Holley. Thanks for watching. To find out more about our water methanol injection components, visit our website at holley.com.